Welcome to Pavithra Laptop Care. Today's topic is keyboard connection. See, in any laptop keyboard connection, so what will be the input? What you are going to type A, B, C, D and all. So where it will go and where it stores, which one is the output and which one is the input. See, I have never seen, I think so till now because no one tried it. Right? So now onwards you should try and see it will be in voltage form or it will be in signal form. That also very important when you press the keyboard. I mean when you type the words, that time the signal will come or only voltage will be there. That entire thing I will show you practically. Okay, see here actually two things are there. One is KSI and KSO. KSI is 0 to 7. See what are the pins? Approximate 1 to 12. Within that you can get all KSI. Remaining KSO. Actually both are entirely different. The KSI, what you are going to type, ABCD, everything will store through this. But the thing is, so many keys are there, right? So I mean letters are there. But the thing, which one will take exact one? That practically I am going to show you. Okay, let us do the practical session. Here practically we can check how the keyboard will take the input, means what are the keys are there. So many keys are there, right? All are will go only through 8 pins. Okay, what are those? Just one or two example I will show you, so it will be useful. Just for your knowledge sake I am showing you. See, now you see the graph. Now I am going to connect this. Okay, I will turn it on. First this one, it's a 1 to 12, in between 3 4 is not there because it's a KSO. Only KSI I will show you. Just I will hold on KS1. Actually pin number 1 is KS1. I am turning it on, so please check the graph. Please check the graph. Now it's turned on. See, laptop is on. Now F10 I will press. It's a bias mode. In bias mode I will check. See the graph, it's moving here. Okay, that is actually maximum something is there, but the thing is you can check here. I'll press any one key. Just one or two example I'll show you. Just a minute. I'll hold this. See now, caps lock. Just a minute. See here, Q I press, there is no replay. So here your phone randomly I will press some keys. See, no response, no response, no response, space, tabs, number key, no response. See here, window key. Okay, see here I am pressing Windows key. It's a Windows key. One is Windows key, and next see, yes, this one. Okay, any key I am trying. Yes, this one means it's a G. See, I'll press the G. See the graphics, see the graph, sorry. See, it's moving. Next G is there, G. Okay, next see G, H also it's coming. Okay, this is an example of the pin number KS1. Now I will hold that KS7. Second pin number is KS7. This by default it's moving. See, by default it's moving, but what are the keys will work? That we'll check. Tabs, enter. See, shift. Shift I hold continuously, it's moving. Next. Any other keys? See, one more. P I'm pressing, it's moving. Just a bit. So like this you also try. This is the example. Means you must know what are the difference between input and output. These are the input. Actually what are the KSI? There only the keyboard input will go to system. Now KSO, any one key I will try. Just a minute. That is one, it's for example 15, KSO7, 10, 15. See the graph. KSO looks like this, KSI looks like this. Okay, this is the difference. KSI have some 3 volts difference, and KSO there will be nothing but some signal you can able to see. Okay, if you press, see the small signals will go. These are the output actually. See, these are the output for the input. Okay, now you got it. See, these are the output. When you press the input, then only it will react like this at a time. So I showed separately what are the inputs. Inputs we tried Windows key. See, Windows key. Like that, it's an output. So 7.1. It looks like this. If you press, see, multiple graphs. So this is the what keyboard will work in any motherboard. This is just for your knowledge, not for rectifying anything. But you can rectify in case of keyboard is not working. Okay, the difference between the input and output graphs you must see. Then only you come to know keyboard is good or not, or keyboard section is good or not. Thank you. Thank you.